Salesforce does have the ability where it will look for duplicates and alert you if it thinks there's a duplicate. But if you know there's a duplicate, you can also manually merge them. So notice we have the Mickey Mouse here and we have Mick Mouse, and they're the same. So we need to merge them. So if we click on our app launcher and we start typing, notice we have a contact merge. So again, Salesforce can say, here's the ones that we think are duplicates. You can click that to see the ones that they think are duplicates. Well, it says there are no duplicates found. So I can also search for specific contacts to see if they have duplicates. We're going to search, and notice we now have Mickey Mouse and Mick Mouse. We're going to click on both of them because we want to merge these two. We're going to go ahead and click next. Again, it's going to show you the differences between the two, and it's going to ask which one is going to be what you want to keep. So anything that's selected is what it's going to keep. So it's okay if we keep that as our master record, but we actually want his full name. We don't have Mr. over here, so that's fine. We can add Mr. Everything else is duplicate or is identical, so we don't need to worry about it. So we'll go ahead and click merge. Again, it's irreversible. Once it's merged, you can't undo it, so we're fine. We're going to go ahead and say merge those. And then once it's done, it's going to show you we now have the one contact for Mr. Mickey Mouse. I'm also going to show you how to merge household accounts. So on this one, again, we kind of talked through it in our last video, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on the Mickey Mouse because he's the main or the primary contact. This is the account and the household that we want to keep. We'll go ahead and we'll click on that household. We can manage the household. And again, I can add Minnie to this household. And again, because we're merging or adding, whatever address you have listed as your primary, it's going to adopt that as their household address. So if Minnie had a different address, when we go to send letters to the household, it's going to use the household address and not Minnie's address. So I'm going to cancel out of that and get back to the contact. I also want to show you, let's say that Minnie already had a household. So we had Minnie and her child listed as one household, but now they're living, they live with Mickey, they're married, we only need one household. So we're going to go ahead and click back on Mickey and go into the household, and we're going to manage the household. And notice this time when we search for Minnie, it's going to pop up and say, okay, Minnie has other people in her household. Do you want to add just Minnie, or do you want to add everybody from her household? So I can add just Minnie, or I want to add all members. So we're adding Minnie and her child, so we're going to go ahead and add all members. And that way we now have 3 members in this household. And we can save that, and that will update. So we now just have the one household between those 3 contacts.